What's going on, everybody? Steve here with Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, getting in a workout this morning. It's about 8:30 in the morning, and I was going through my YouTube comments, and somebody commented on my post from last night that I posted in the community tab of YouTube showing my sales. And over the last 30 days, I've done close to 49,000. Looking forward to crushing that 50K and getting up to 75, hitting that 100K a month mark. And in the question that I just received as I catch my breath in between these goblet squats, someone asked, what does it take for me to be able to get to, 49,000 a month like you, and I've told people in previous videos, profit margins around 30%. They will probably drop to around 25% this year as I scale. But the question is, what does it take to get to that point? So it depends, right? It depends on your volume. It depends on your average selling price, so on and so forth. But all I can do is share with you my business and what my numbers are. So over the last 30 days, I've sold a little over 1,300 items. I think it was like 1,316 items for a little less than 49,000. So I think that comes out to like a $36, $37 average selling price. And in total, my inventory is around 2,500. So I just did the numbers. My sell-through rate over the last 30 days, based on how much inventory I have compared to how many items I'm selling, is around 51%, which is extremely high. And I like having a high sell-through rate and even taking a little bit less of a profit margin compared to what I could get if I waited a little longer, because I like my money to turn. I like to deploy my money and get my money to come back and then invest it in another product and another product. And I keep, one product makes 20%, another makes 40%, another makes 30%. So I feel like I can just make a lot more money by turning my capital. Plus, every time I spend money, with my eBay to Amazon business model, I'm getting 2% cash back. I'm getting rewards through Top Cashback, through Bqool. There's other websites I use as well. Plus, I'm getting points. So, that's kind of like the cherry on top of the cake. Every time I spend money to buy stuff, and you should be doing this as well, is using a cashback credit card. I use the Capital One Spark, and obviously taking advantage of your points and whatnot. So for me to get to, a little less than 49,000 over the last 30 days, I've got a little over 2,500 items in my inventory. I've sold about a little over 1,300 in inventory. My average buy cost is somewhere between 15 to 18 bucks, and my average selling price is usually between, I would say, 35 to 40. I think right now it's 36 or 37. You'd have to do the math. Divide 49,000 by 1315, I think, something like that. So that's what it took for me to get there. But keep in mind, for me to get my inventory up to 2,500, I've been building this up over the last, almost 18 months now, right? Since I started flipping from eBay to Amazon. Plus, I did have some thrifted inventory and whatnot that I had in my inventory. And I still have some, but I would say 90% of my sales are from eBay to Amazon flips, Facebook flips, Mercari flips, so on and so forth. So yeah, just want to answer this question. If you're looking to grow your Amazon business, focus on building your inventory, focus on quality inventory. This is inventory that's going to have a good profit margin, a good ROI. And of course, make sure that your inventory turns, because you could have the most profitable inventory in the world, right? You could have 2,500 items in your inventory that's worth all this money, but if it never sells, then what do you really have? So make sure your inventory turns. Make sure you're doing your research with Keepa, with SellerAmp, Scout IQ, whatever business model you're doing. And stack up those points, stack up those, cashback rewards, and just keep getting after it. If you guys need any help growing your business, definitely check out resellingfreedom.com if you're a brand new seller. If you haven't started yet, we have typically 5 to 8 live coaching calls. Sometimes there's been upwards to 10, but I'm probably going to minimize that a little bit because it's just too much. But if you want daily mentorship and coaching from me and other coaches, check out resellingfreedom.com. If you want to learn how to start flipping from eBay to Amazon, if you already have experience, then you could definitely check out my eBay to Amazon masterclass over at rakeandprofit.com/E2A masterclass. And with that being said, if you have any questions, drop a comment down below, smash that like button. And I got to get back to these, these goblet squats. All right, guys, much love. Appreciate you.